I am so excited to be here all the way from Bali, Indonesia. We are on our retreat, and today I'm going to demo something very special for you. Yesterday we were all out hiking. So we're going to get started, and they're pretty simple ingredients. Now here, because I'm in beautiful Bali with all the tropical fruits, I'm going to use a lot of tropical fruits, but you can use whatever you have at home. And primarily you can just use bananas and wild blueberries, which you get in the frozen section. But here I'm going to show you a real tropical experience. Okay, so I've got frozen bananas, and make sure you freeze them without the skin, because if you freeze them with the skin, it is very difficult to take and remove them. Okay, and now I've got some pineapple, frozen pineapple. Now at home, if you don't have pineapple, you can just use frozen blueberries. And I'm going to put some ice, just because it's really hot and humid here in Bali. And a little bit of coconut water, not too much, because we want to make it a smoothie bowl, okay? So just enough to blend it. And I always put a dash of pinch of pink Himalayan salt. So I'm going to put that in here. It really bumps up the flavor profile. We get all the minerals, 84 minerals that are found in our human body. So, and it's the healthiest form of salt, purest form of salt on the planet. So definitely use that. And what gives this beautiful blue color is blue spirulina, which I have some here. And I'm going to add a little at a time because we're going to watch the color change. Okay. So we have blue spirulina. Blue spirulina is so beneficial for the body, and especially today because we feel our muscles are stretched, our bones are aching a little bit after doing this challenging hike. This is going to help with all the muscle recovery. It's really good for immunity, very high in protein, so all around really, really good, and something you can add to your lifestyle. And of course, we're adding collagen powder here to help. And then I use something for joint health, which is Artifact. Again, anti-inflammatory, really good for you. And with all my smoothies, I put a little bit of oil, and this one I'm using flaxseed oil. A little bit of that. I'm going to just blend it up. Now, if you want it sweeter, you can add dates, but I'm going to just do it without, just depending on how sweet you want to keep it. What do you think? You want it a little more blue? Yeah?
Sure.
So as far as garnishing, we've got some fresh blueberries, hemp seeds, got cacao nibs, and one of my superfoods, which I love, absolutely love, is bee pollen. It's really high in B vitamins and really good for brain health. So we want to get that in. And then we've got all these gorgeous tropical fruits here. So we're going to add some mango, delicious star fruit too, fresh dragon fruit. We're going to add that. And that's our blue smoothie bowl right there. Enjoy.